Sometime in July of 2020, my truck was sitting in a shop, and a Patreon of mine was diagnosing it, and all of a sudden it locked up. I didn't know what I was going to do. I was 18, I know that much. But I knew I wanted to keep the truck because it has a lot of sentimental value to me. Truck ended up getting totaled by insurance, and we ended up buying it back, and I decided I wanted to do a V8 swap in it. It had a V6 in it originally. About a month goes by, we loaded my truck up onto a U-Haul trailer, and over the course of a couple months, my grandpa and my uncle would slowly work on it. February of 2021, I finally got to bring my truck home. You know, it wasn't going to be used as an off-road vehicle at first. So a mall crawler. You know, I wanted it to have light bars. I wanted it to have an off-road bumper, a lift, aftermarket wheels, mud terrain. So I didn't really know what overlanding was. I just knew that I love to get out and explore and go camping through Boy Scouts. So that ended up leading to me creating the YouTube channel Eaglesoverlanding. Creating the channel Eaglesoverlanding was basically a hybrid of everything that I do put together. You know, my Boy Scouts, my camping, my exploring, you know, filming my adventures and keeping it all centered into one. Just seemed fitting.
I think I should quit.
I'm a Murphy. Anything can go wrong, it will.
I had a comment from someone that said, "You'll never regret starting this at a young age." If you would have asked me 5 years ago what I'd be doing during my free time, I bet you I would not have said overlanding or creating overland content. And to think I could quit is unrealistic of me at this point. But being 20 years old has created a challenge for me. Who, my age, wants to spend countless amounts of money building out a rig just to go camping and on the occasional go wheeling? Most people my age are going to college and are working towards pursuing a career, and I'm out here seeing things I've never seen before or even knew existed. Through my overlanding journey and creating content, I'm getting to learn new skills. I'm getting to interact with other people in the overland community, and most importantly, to me, I'm getting to inspire and help those who are interested in starting their overland journey. Now don't get me wrong, I have experienced some tragic accidents, some that hurt a lot financially and emotionally. There is nothing like your rig breaking down in the middle of nowhere, leaving you stranded on the trail or off the side of Highway 123. But within this community I'm in, I have received a lot of support for anything my little 20-year-old brain desires, and I can't be more thankful. This isn't just a hobby, it's a lifestyle, it's a passion, and as long as you're having fun, not much else matters, right? Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I know it was a little bit different. I want to give a shout out to Caleb with Baker Overland. A link to his channel will be in the description below. Anyways, you already have wings, all you have to do is fly.